Listen to this.
Yes, I can talk perfectly and walk. I can also maintain a consistent character with perfect lip sync, all created using Grok AI for free. If you're thinking you still can't use Grok AI to create your video, you're wrong. Victoria will show you how you can still use Grok AI to create a video like this, using one image to create videos with different scenes and good quality.
Yes, as you've heard from her, you can still use Grok AI to create your video for free with powerful lip sync, consistent character, and good video quality, which I'm going to show you in this particular video how you can achieve that 100% free. So if this makes sense to you, sit back and make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and try as much as possible to leave a comment. Yes, drop your comments down below if you use it and it works for you. Okay, so without much ado, let's get right into the practical section of this video.
So for you to be able to create this kind of video, first you need to come over to Claude AI. We are going to be making use of Claude AI because Claude AI gets to give you detailed information of what you want. So just if you've been using ChatGPT, you can also try out Claude AI. Both of them are good, but Claude AI is really preferable when it comes to detailed information of what you want and maybe getting the best response with your master prompt. So I'm gonna come here to paste this here. I'm saying, hello, I want to create a short video of about 10 seconds. First, I need a reference image prompt, and thereafter I will need the prompt for the video with dialogue of about 8 seconds. Now keep in mind, you can put the duration of your dialogue of how you want it to be. It is better you include this in your master prompt so that you are going to have the best results. So I want you to give me the prompt to generate the image. The image is going to feature two people having a conversation, a dialogue between two people, a man and a woman. The man should be around 40 years old, while the woman should be between 20 to 25 years old. So please give me a prompt to generate this image. The man should depict a black American man and the woman should depict a white lady. Now you can see in my master prompt, I've structured it in such a way that it has captured the duration, it has captured the kind of character I want, that like the race and all of that, and it has also captured the kind of person I want, the age range and all of that. So this is what you need to include in your master prompt. And it also captured that I need a dialogue. There should be a dialogue. I don't just want to have a video without a conversation. Okay, so that is that. Take note of that. So then go ahead to give me a prompt to generate this. Thank you. So I'm going to send. So this is actually my master prompt. So this is my master prompt and this is the response from it. Okay, so let's get to see the response. You can see a realistic cinematic photo of two people having a friendly conversation in a warmly lit modern setting. So this happens to be the image prompt. Okay, so I'm going to copy this from this point down here to copy. So once you copied your prompt, let's proceed to creating our image. So in creating this image, we are going to be making use of ChatGPT. Yeah, my own ChatGPT creates image for me in such a way that it makes it quite professional and catchy and attention grabbing. So let's move on to ChatGPT to get our image ready. I'm going to go ahead to paste this prompt. So what I forgot to add to this prompt, to this particular prompt here, is the aspect ratio. So I'm going to say 16:9 aspect ratio. Now this is what will help the software to know if you want your image to be portrait or the landscape. Okay, like the aspect ratio you want your image. So I'm going to send. Very important, please take note of that. I'm going to send. At this point it will start generating. You can see generating image, and here we have it. This is the image here. Whereas I will ask ChatGPT to go ahead to enhance the look because it doesn't look professional. So I'm going to say, so what I'm saying right here is please enhance their look to be more professional and add lighting with minimal decor. So I'm going to send. So what this means is that I don't like the total structure of the image because it doesn't look catchy enough. It's so dim, their faces are not really showing, and the decor is not really popping up. So I need something that will look more professional than this. So let's see, with this twist, with this little adjustments I'm making, let's see if there will be a major difference between this particular image and this one that is still generating. So let's see if there will. Can you see it? Here you have it. Can you see it? Now compare these two images, compare and contrast. Which one would you go for? As I believe it's going to be the second one, right? Minimal decor. You can see the decor is minimal and you can see their faces are really showing. You can see now, and it is looking catchy now. So I'm going to click here to download the image. Now after downloading the image, remember this is our reference image, so let's proceed to generating the dialogue for the video. So for us to generate the dialogue for this video, we are going to be making use of Claude AI. So let's come back to Claude AI to finish it. So this is it. So I'm going to ask Claude AI to generate the prompt for the dialogue. So I'm going to say, please I'm going to say, please give me the video prompt with the dialogue. So I'm going to send. At this point, it will start generating the video prompt that will come with a dialogue for me to be able to generate the video. So here we have it, and this is it. At this point, I'm going to give Claude AI what I want them to say, because I don't want them to say something differently from what I am visualizing. So let me tell Claude AI what I want these people to say. So I'm going to use this dictate here, this mic icon right here, to say, then I'm going to send. What this means is that they are going to include what I just said as a dialogue to the prompt. You can see right here is the man. In this video, you are going to learn how you can still use Grok AI to create your videos for free. Then the woman will respond, yes, absolutely free, with perfect lip sync and consistent character. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to start from here. You can see from this point. Then I'm going to copy to this point, copy. So at this point, this is it. I've copied the prompt right here. This is the prompt right here. So what I'm going to do for it to maintain consistency, for you to have a flawless video and for you to have a perfect lip sync, make sure you copy this dialogue. You can see this dialogue right here. Dialogue. You can see this dialogue right here. So I'm going to copy it to the upper part of the prompt. Do you understand? So I'm going to cut it and then take it to the upper part of this prompt. What this means is that before the software will be able to dictate any other thing, it should know that this is a video with a dialogue, like this is a dialogue and this is what I need to say in this video. So I'm taking my dialogue to the upper part of the prompt. So now after doing that, I'm going to copy everything, then copy and proceed to another step, which is us getting to make our image to talk, make our characters to talk. So let's proceed to the next step. So the next step is for you to come over to your browser and search for OiOi, OiiOii.ai. Do you understand? OiOi.ai. So once you search for it, go ahead to sign in or you sign up using your Google account or your email address. Once you sign in, they are going to give you free credit, about 160 free credit, for you to be able to create your videos for free. Yes, and you can always switch to another email to continue creating your videos. The next thing you need to do is for you to either come over to where you see new. Can you see here? You can come over to where you see new. If you click on new, you will be able to start creating. You can as well click on start creating right here. You will still create. So I'm going to come over and click on new. So once you click on new, it will take you down to this interface. Please, the phone interface is just very tiny. You just have to take note of every bit of what I'm saying. Okay, so once you come over, and whatever I'm going to be using this phone to achieve, it is the same thing that you can use your laptop to achieve that. So just be observant and take note of everything I'm saying here. So once you click on that, you are going to see drag, stroke, paste an image here to try skill, style and asset. So I'm going to come over here to this plus icon right here, this tiny plus icon. I'm going to click on it to bring in the reference image. Here we have it. I've brought in my reference image, and then I'm going to paste the prompt while the reference image is still uploading. I'm going to paste my prompt. So I'm going to paste directly. You see, paste directly. Go ahead to click on paste directly. So what you have to do is for you to come over to where you see agents. Can you see here agent? So click on that agent. So once you click on that agent, you are going to see different AI models. Remember, the purpose of this tutorial is for us to use Grok AI to create our video, right? So you have to search for it. So first here you see Oi Image 2. Then you also see Seed Dreams 5.0 Pro. You see Seed Dream 5.0 Lite. Then under here you're going to see Oi Nano Pro. Then you see Oi Nano. So let's just go down till we see Grok AI. Okay, so scroll down. You are going to see Sedans 2.0. So under here you are going to see Oi X Imagine 1.5, and you can see Grok logo by the side. Can you see that? By the side you are going to see Grok logo under Oi X Imagine 1.5, which is actually a new model that has been introduced to the platform. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so once you've added that, which is the Grok AI model, remember the purpose of this tutorial is for us to use Grok to create our video. Once you've added that, now if you notice something, immediately I click on that Grok AI model, it indicated free creation. It means once you are using that Grok AI model, which is Oi X Imagine 1.5, is going to be free. If you use any other model, they are going to demand you to pay for it. So be careful. Make sure you are using the Grok model when you want to create your video. I don't want to hear I tried to create, it's not working. It is because you are using a different model. Make sure you are using the Grok AI model, because that is where you can get to create your video for free. It is actually free and you can see it yourself. Free creation, and you are going to see me, you are going to watch me creating this video for free. Okay, let's proceed. You can as well click here. Yes, if you click there, you are going to see aspect ratio that you can use, which is 16:9 is there, 9:16 is there, 1:1 is there, 2:3 and 3:2 are there. So you select the aspect ratio you want to use. Then for the time frame, you can select the duration. Do you understand? You can select the duration of your video, and as you are adding, it gets to add up to the prompt, to the number of credits they are going to charge you. Can you see that? As I click on that plus icon to adjust the duration, it's added up to the number of credits they are going to charge me. Remember, they have given you almost 200 free credits. Okay, so all of this you are creating for free. So once you've done that, for resolution 720p is good enough for us to use. So click on this arrow facing upward to send. So now once you click on that to send, it will analyze the prompt and it will start generating in few seconds. So now get to see what the analyzing process is all about. You can see planning. I have completed validating and translating your video production request into our official production workflow step. So after that, you click on activate workflow. You can see that it will think again and just follow through. It is not hard. Watch this video and know how to use it. Okay, so you first is going to, once it analyze and then it proceed to thinking. So now let's wait to see what will be the next step.
Now, if you've watched this particular video till this point and you haven't given a like, please kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop your thoughts in the comment section and try as much as possible to share this video with another creator. Okay, let's continue.
And here you have it. You can see one video and this is it. You see the video generation request has been submitted. Please confirm whether the generated results meets your experience. So I'm going to click on the video. You can see that. So once you click on the video, it will show here. So let's get to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna click here. Then I'm going to go ahead to play.
In this video, you're going to learn how you can still use Grok AI to create your videos for free.
Yes, absolutely free, with perfect lip sync and consistent character.
Can you see that? This is flawless. This is 10 over 10 across board. Can you see? Very, very beautiful, like with perfect lip sync and consistent character. You can see this is absolutely beautiful. And you can create longer video from it. Okay, just imagine you have 200 credits from each email address. You can actually get longer video from it. Do you understand? And you can create up to 15 seconds video at once. 15 seconds video at once. So that is that. So let me play again for you to see once again.
In this video, you're going to learn how you can still use Grok AI to create your videos for free.
Yes, absolutely free, with perfect lip sync and consistent character.
Okay, so for you to be able to download your video, this is not the case of I can create but I do not know how to download my video, or there is no way to download your video. So for you to be able to download your video, you come over here. Now just come over to the video, click on the video, long press. If you long press the video, you are going to see copy, you are going to see download, you are going to see delete. So I'm going to click on it to download. Long press and then download. Once you click on download, you see download. This particular one will warrant you to subscribe, but just go ahead to download video. Just click on download video to avoid extra charges or any problem. So once you click on it, it will definitely download. It's going to be saved to your gallery. So that is that. So for you to be able, you can see downloading file and file downloaded. You can as well upscale the image. You can trim. You can also adjust your prompt. Maybe if you want to adjust this prompt to another thing, to create another thing, you can as well adjust. Do you understand? Maybe you want to add another dialogue apart from the one we had first. You can change the dialogue to another thing and send again. Can you see how beautiful it is? So just go try out and make sure you make the most out of this particular AI tool before they monetize everything fully. Okay, if by this time you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't given a like, please kindly like this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share it with another creator. Make sure you share this particular video with another creator and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you are going to do with it. If you are going to try this out or not, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so basically this is how you can still create your video using Grok AI. I've taken you through the step-by-step process, right from how you can get your reference image to how you can get your prompts, how you can organize your master prompt as well, and to how you can create your video using AI. So I really hope you found this particular video valuable. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and also share the video with another creator. See you in my next one. Goodbye.